Hey everyone, check out this gorgeous artificial succulent centerpiece by MyGift in a sleek black wooden planter box. Measuring nearly 16 inches wide, it brings instant realistic plant life to any home or office space. You get all the vibrant green beauty with zero watering, sunlight, or maintenance required. The rectangular wooden planter offers a dramatic contrast that blends seamlessly with various decors. It makes a stunning tabletop centerpiece for your desk, shelf, or windowsill. Just let it air out briefly if you notice any initial plastic packaging scent. Elevate your room decor effortlessly with this zero-hassle faux plant arrangement today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.